Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am just jumping on for a quick little video on some pen pal Happy Mail that I received, and I wanted to share because it was so sweet. So the first thing I want to share, this is from Sweet Erica Fields, and she actually bought one of my I think my first journal I ever put on Etsy. And she did a video of it, a flip through on her channel. It was so sweet. But she sent me this sweet little package, and it had this beautiful little tag in it that she made, and this sweet little bag. Let me move the packaging here. And she had this little bag, and she sent me this Tim Holtz Ideology collage paper, and she had it just so sweetly packaged down in here with the little shred, and she put this really pretty paper on this bag. It's like a felt embossed, and this sweet little bird. Isn't that darling? And she sent me a little card, and she decorated the envelope, and then she sent me this sweet little card she made, and she just put in here, it was so sweet, she wrote a little note, and she wanted to send me this because she knew she wouldn't use it because she's trying to purge stuff out of her craft room. And it was just the sweetest little note and the sweetest little thing that she did, and I just wanted to share that with you all because it made my day. It was really sweet. And then the next thing that I got, and this is from over on my Junk Journal Friends Facebook page. I do a periodically I'll say, hey, you know, the first 5 people who send me their mailing address, I'll send you out some pen pal mail, Happy Mail. And so Jean was one of those folks that I sent stuff to, and I don't want to show our addresses, but look at this envelope. She made this out of a map, which I thought was the sweetest, coolest idea. And then she put our addresses over on the front side. But I thought, what a clever idea to make. Oh yeah, and I opened it. And I just opened it here on this side. But I thought that's a really cool idea for a making an envelope, and it's a heavy-duty map, so it's pretty thick map, so you wouldn't want to use a thin little map. I thought that was such a great idea, and she sent me some cute little, just some Happy Mail, and it was so sweet. And she put, just wanted to return the favor of some Happy Mail. Enjoy, happy fall, from Jean. And it was so sweet of her, and that cute. And then she sent this cute little fabric kind of collection, almost like a little journal of fabric. But aren't these adorable? I love all these fall colors. I have to think of something fun to do and use these on. And then this sweet little cluster here. And I love this, I don't know what this is, Jean, you'll have to tell me, but I really like this, whatever that is. But so sweet. And how you made that, I really want to know what that is too, because that's really cool. I don't know if that's just a collection of beads. And then she made this sweet little, kind of like a flip-up journal. And it has a playing card in it. And then just this cute little paper here, like a packing checklist. And then some little scraps of paper, a book page. I just love this. Such a neat idea. And then some other little pieces here. And then some book pages. Love this. It's so cute. And then the back is a music page. But Jean, thank you so much for doing that. And if you all haven't joined the Junk Journal Friends page, I invite you to check it out over on Facebook. There's no selling. you know, we just kind of are very chill and have fun. And so, yeah, so that was from Sweet Jean. And then the last thing, it's not Happy Mail, but I wanted to show it just because I follow Stacy over on Instagram, and it's Recycloves, RECYCLOVES. And, you know, she put this sweet little package together and decorated it up for fall. But I bought these items from her, but yeah, here's her card here. And she also has an Etsy shop. But I just wanted to show these fun little papers that she made. And there's a few channels that I really try to support. And she is one of them because she's the sweetest. But she made this, I think it was coffee or tea dyed. These sweet little Halloween papers. And she did the little stamping. And look at the little skeletons. And then these sweet little poison and laboratory tubes. I just thought they were really pretty. And she made them, so I wanted to get those from her. And then I also been toying with the idea of making a Harry Potter journal. And she had these for sale. These are some different Harry Potter cards. And I just really thought they were fun. My niece and my daughter, for that matter, loved, look at these fun little cards, and they have little curses on this side. Both love Harry Potter, and so I thought it might be fun to make a journal someday for them. And then these are little charms, and I think these, yeah, spells. But I like the charms. Look how cute those are. And then the broom, a cauldron, a wand, some school books. And they're from a game, obviously, but I didn't have that game. So anyway, I just wanted to share those with you all. And just Erica and Jean, thank you so much for my Happy Mail. And it made my day. All right, I will see you all on the next video. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, you all. Please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Leave a comment down below. That really helps my channel grow as well. All right, guys. I'll see y'all in the next video. Love ya. Bye.